and welcome to the highlights of Match 9 of the Pakistan Junior League. Encounter between Gujranwala Giants and Gwadar Sharks.
Edge and gone through. It probably didn't carry. The keeper was just half-hearted thinking, is it going to the first slip? Oh, he's clipped it. I was just going to say, Tino, that what happens is he does tend to expose his leg stump when he tries to work something. It wasn't a very good delivery. And he's straight away off the mark with that boundary. Full on the pads, put away.
Yeah, line wrong, length wrong.
Shot. It was width available and Benkenstein won't spare. Nicely done through the line. It was too full and Benkenstein just plays it with a straight bat. Oh, he's missed it. It was slightly short and it's pulled away. Oh, that is a soft dismissal. That is a soft dismissal. That was a ball you never expect to take a wicket on.
That's a clean strike. Nice fluent swing and gets half a dozen. Cleaned him up. Playing across the line of the ball, always risky. Hassan Ali Jr. But his father will be proud of him. That's his first wicket and it's a big one.
Cut away again. It's a good shot. A little bit of pace on from Trump.
That's a good take. Oh, I thought he got it. He's missed that, but the attempt was good. That's well done. Another boundary, just a gentle touch, just slightly opening the face. Oh, there's a chance of the non-strikers. Trouble, gone. He's got it at top edge of it, and this is an opportunity. That's a big wicket, I tell you that. Arafat Minhas has been scoring for the Sharks, and this time around, he's gone with 7 overs available.
Bowled him. I think he's just tried to hold the pace back here. Not the bounce that the batsman expected. Should be taken. He was searching for that boundary, as you mentioned, Tino. Didn't get hold of it. Another slow ball. So unlucky as it runs away for 4. The thinking was the right one. There's another one, but it will find a fielder. They've been searching for a boundary.
I didn't realize he coached you, tough man.
Run out. Slapped over that short fine leg. It might run away, and it does. Does go full, and it's a dot delivery and the wicket too. Direct hit. Surely the striker run out.
So the target at 6.6 runs and over, 132 to win over 120 balls. Let's join the action.
This time he gets connection and he might earn a boundary. It's just slowing down a little bit and it's gone for 4. Just couldn't flick it back. Just working it away. That's not the correct line. A boundary to end the over. 2 boundaries in this. That's a good shot. It's very full and it's been given. It's high in the air. It should be out, should be taken. Yes, the captain takes the catch. So the second opener also joins his partner in the dugout.
And that's clean. And falls just within the boundary line, but goes for 4. Full toss. Helped with a blunder in the field. He will get 4.
Catch it, catch it.
That's a terrific stroke, but went straight to the fielder. Enough bat on this one to get another boundary in the over, so that was the wrong on. Did he get hold of it? He doesn't. And Saad Masood takes a fine catch to break this partnership. Might be a stumping, might be another wicket. Smart work by the wicketkeeper. This is brilliant cricket all round.
He's gone. It's a googly. It's a thick outside edge. That race won't be won. 4.
Do their first child, full toss, put away, poor delivery. We've seen a couple of them, so just keep your eye out on the bowler. That problem is they keep losing wickets. Once again, spin. Oh, cut through the keeper's legs. And this should run all the way for a boundary.
That should go to the boundary. That's hit well. That's timed well by Siobhan Daniel. So 2 boundaries. This looks like a good over. You want to do everything, right? There we go. Boundary, or the dew is going to slow it down. No, it reaches the boundary. 4.
And that should be out. If it's bad first, it's out. It was quick.
Come and get involved. In the air, decided to take it on. This could be not just a wicket, the match as well. It is the big wicket of Siobhan Daniel.
6 wickets are spinners.
And they make it 7. Well, surely this match is getting wrapped up pretty quickly.
And there it is. Final nail on the coffin. What an emphatic victory for this Sharks team once again. When they looked like they would be put under pressure with a total of 131, their bowlers, they've risen like a phoenix and done the job. They go on to win by 44 runs.